How to publish a song on Spotify. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So unfortunately, you won't be able to publish a song on Spotify by yourself. You'll need to work with music distributors. Different music distributors are DistroKid, so you can come onto this website of DistroKid. You can also sign up for TuneCore or CD Baby. So you can look at different music distributor websites and then click on Get Started. You can look at the different features of each website and see which one you like. To sign up, you'll have to enter your email, your password, confirm your password, and click on Sign Up. You can also sign up with Google, with Apple, or with Facebook. You can look at the different pricing and different plans and see which one you like. Click on Get Started to use the plan that you have chosen. So once you choose your distributor, you'll then be able to publish your song on Spotify. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.